Whoa! Hey, videotape this right here. Pose dog over here.
I'm interested in work.
Okay, how do we? When you have like C2H6, do all of the atoms have to be bonded together, or can you have like an H just sitting there? Or do they all have to be bonded?
What do you think?
Because I think that one bond, like, we have the right number of valence electrons, but then it doesn't use the octet rule. Unless you have.
But what do you think about the bonding?
I think that there's going to be one bond between the two H's. Because, like...
Okay, there might be, but do you think, what do you think of Brianna's question? What was your question, Brianna?
If it could just do all of the elements do all the atoms have to be bonded to something? Do they all have to be like... Well, it's because there's twice as many hydrogen as carbon.
What do you think?
I don't know, because like...
You're not sure?
I don't think it would work like that, because then... Because it's all grouped together in one, like,
Yeah, but things have to be bonded together.
I know, that's why I think it probably does have to be bonded. But then that gets confusing because each of the bonds is 2. And then you also...
So what you need to do, if each of the bonds is 2, you need to have 2 electrons there. The way Monica had it. So Monica's got it like this. So if these are bonded, you need 2 electrons.
Oh, they're already all bonded.
Wait, I'm so...
Look, see, they're all bonded.
So like this... Where does this one go? Wait, but I thought that each of the bonds counted as 2.
So each of these counts as 1 electron. So when you want to show that there's a bond, you need to put
like
2
this?
electrons there.
That makes more sense.
If that makes more sense to you, then do it like that.
So that's 2, and then... This one goes 2, and then... 2. And then 2, and then 2 right there, and then 2, and then 2. But then
that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Times 2. Cool!
Okay, so you have the right number of what?
Electrons.
And there's no lone pairs.
2 minutes. Any problems?
There's not the octet rule.
Hey Matt, I hope you don't
Is that the problem?
Hold on, let me see. Okay.
There's only 6 for, I don't know.
Triple bond them.
But then,
Maybe some need triple bonds, and some need double bonds, and some need single bonds.
Well, there's a problem with that though, because one of the things is that hydrogen
Hydrogen has 1.
doesn't follow the octet rule.
oh, it doesn't?
Hydrogen doesn't
So
follow
then
the
this
octet
one
rule.
can be triple bond or something. I don't know.
Well, that's what Monica just said, but the problem with that
I think
is
that
that
we're right.
hydrogen can only have a bond like this.
I think that we're right how it is.
Yeah.
Okay.
Is that right?
Hydrogen has to...
Well, the problem with the octet rule is there. That
But you can't just add electrons.
so you have to rearrange it.
It's wrong?
You got to find a rearrangement that matches the octet rule.
That means that these aren't...
Maybe these connect right here. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna just try to do something.
Well, it's not supposed to be hard.
Sorry, I had to laugh at that. School is definitely supposed to be hard on. We waste a lot of time trying to figure out how to make it hardest.
Wait, what school does William Hung go to? Like UCLA?
Berkeley. My alma mater.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, how many H's are there? 6. I need you.
You're pretty good at this, like figuring it out. You have to make so many little double bonds. That's horrible.
Why'd you stop, Monica?
Because I'm trying to think. Because I don't have enough.
No.
Okay.
But you
What's
can't
she
add
gonna do?
electrons.
You can't, you don't have to put one of these here. And then these right here.
So if they're sharing, there has to be 2 there.
What's the duet rule?
The duet rule is that hydrogen wants to have 2 electrons,
Oh, it's only for hydrogen?
only for hydrogen.
Oh, that's why. I thought that the duet rule could be for anything.
No, hydrogen. Everything else follows the octet. It wants 8.
That's horrible. So then this one doesn't have 2. Or these.
But this, okay.
Because see, these ones have 2, and that would follow the octet.
Can you remove electrons?
No.
No, you need to work.
Should these not be triple? Like,
that?
Okay. Now, do you only have does hydrogen? Do all the hydrogens follow the duet rule?
Yes.
Yeah.
Rihanna, you sure?
Yeah. Yeah, this is right.
But then the carbon.
How many do the carbons have?
2,
8.
1.
Yay!
Woohoo!
Okay, so what was Monica doing right?
Putting them together.
Putting them together, and also
Rearranging.
rearranging. Yeah, sometimes you just got to rearrange until you get the right answer.
That was good, guys.
In college, I've spent 20 minutes rearranging an atom to try to get it right. I know that probably sounds like the worst thing
is
ever,
there some
but
formula that you
Okay,
can
so
like
how
do
many-
inside your head for this?
No.
Because like I don't know, because like I was seeing like a pattern
bonds
right
are
there,
there?
like 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 6. Like you see how it goes like there's a difference of 2, and then
Rhonda,
there's
how
a
many
difference of
bonds are
1, and
there?
as it goes down by 2.
oh, in the bonds?
Yeah.
And how many
bonds in
lone
the
pairs?
bands.
No,
I know, it's just
No.
like some weird coincidence.
it's a coincidence. Yeah, there's no formula like that.
Hey, oxygen has 6.
Yo, you wanna help us with this one, dude?